So here, Caroline, you're given the function f, where you're told that f of x is equal to x minus 1. And they're saying that when you pick a number for x that's in the interval between -3 and +3, including -3, you use in some situations a closed dot and in other situations an open dot. So what they've done here, Caroline, first is they've just found f of -3. So in the function equation, they replaced x with -3, and they found that f of -3 is equal to -4. Now remember, f of -3 is just fancy function notation for y. So when we plugged in -3 for x, we got -4 for y. Now because there is a bracket with -3, that means that that point -3, -4 is actually a part of the function graph, and we represent that it's a part of the function graph by using a closed dot. On the other hand, when you take the same function, f of x, but this time you substitute 3 in for x, then you would get f of 3 is equal to 3 minus 1, or 2. So when x was 3, y is 2. But because the 3 in the interval has an open, has a parenthesis and not a bracket, that means that at that point, 3, 2, there will be an open circle. So let me draw a quick little sketch of what this would look like. We have 2 points that we've determined. We've got one at -3, -4, which we've decided is an open circle because that is not a point on the graph, because we've determined that it is a closed circle, because that is a point on the graph, because -3 is included in the interval. Then when we substituted +3 in for x, we got y is equal to +2. That's the one with an open circle, because +3 is not actually a part of the interval values of x because of the parentheses there. So this function in between -3 and +3 would look like that.